Hi, this video we're going to show about our HDBaseT table socket. So here we have the setup. Basically, this is the HDBaseT table socket, and we can install on the table. And let's check out how it looks like. So basically, it will just like this one. We will have the USB module, and which these two ports can put the DC power supply for the USB devices. And then we have two power plug here, but we also can change to the universal type. And then we have a VGA and HDMI input, and we have a switch button for switching between these two sources. Right now I have a VGA laptop and HDMI player and both input. Check out on the back side. So on the back side we will have the AC power cord input directly, then a HDBaseT output cable. So on the back side we only have these two. One is AC power and another one is the HDBaseT. So here, and for this module, and just forgot to mention, for this module we also can change to only the HDMI or the single gun UK size keypad. And just because this one also module, but just need to build in factory. Okay, so this is the table socket transmitter, and then we can transmit a HDMI VGA over single Cat6 cable. Then for 1080p get up to 70 meters, for 4K 30 Hz get up to 35 meters. Then here's our HDBaseT receiver, but we have two types of the receiver, and this one is can support the scanning and EDID management by this 4-pin dip switch. And on the back we have two HDMI outputs, audio embedded and R2C2, and also the HDBaseT and the DC power. Just because over the HDBaseT can support the POC function, so we don't need to use the DC power adapter for this receiver. And right now you can see we have it directly output to the HDMI output to these two monitors here. We also can just simply switch to the, we'll just zoom a little bit. So we can switch to the VGA, press the button here. Okay, so VGA is coming up from the laptop, and press again, you will switch back to the HDMI. And for the HDMI, and you can see the resolution is 4K 30 Hz. For both screen. And we also can just press this switch button for the for this HDMI and the VGA. We can have like the EDID settings, either use the internal EDID or use the external EDID. Yeah, so this is the table socket with the HDMI and VGA input over HDBaseT, and the power module and the USB module here. Then this is the receiver. Okay, thank you.